Oh, lights, yeah. Oh, pizza. Oh, that pizza looks delicious. Oh, the hamburger looks delicious. The spaghetti, the cake and the biscuits all look delicious, but oh.
Hi, Steve! Have you got a headache?
No.
Have you got a sore throat?
No. Oh, hello, boys and girls. I've got a toothache. Oh, and this video is about food and I can't eat. But this food is making me hungry. Oh.
Then, Steve, you can drink the food.
No, Maggie, you can't drink food. You eat food.
You can, Steve. Abracadabra!
Oh, wow! A smoothie maker.
Yeah.
Oh, good idea, Maggie. Hey, Maggie, don't be scared. Come on, boys and girls, let's make a smoothie. Okay, let's get started.
Hi, Steve!
Oh, hi, Bob.
What are you doing?
I'm making a smoothie.
Oh.
Hey, can you quickly help me tell Bob what I've got here? What's this?
Yeah!
It's an orange. What's this?
Oh.
It's a banana. I've got two bananas. What's this? It's an apple. And what's this? Yeah, it's yogurt. Great. So, I'm going to start, Bob, by peeling the orange. Hey, pretend you've got an orange like me and let's peel the orange, peel the orange, peel the orange. So now, Bob, I need to slice the orange. Just one moment. Okay, let's slice it, slice it, slice it, and put it in the mixer. This is going to be a delicious smoothie. Okay, now let's do the same with a banana. So what do we do? Yeah, peel it, peel it, peel it. Super. So what do we do next? Yeah, we slice the banana.
Whoa.
Pretend that you have got a banana and a knife like me, and let's slice the banana, slice the banana. Great! Let's put it in the smoothie maker.
My turn, Steve!
Okay, Bob, it's your turn. You can do it with this banana. Okay, first you need to...
Slice it!
Bob, stop! No!
Oh.
Hey, that's crazy. You don't slice it first. First, you peel it. Come on, let's show Bob how to peel it, peel it, peel it. Oh! Wow! Bob, you did slice it first. That's
Yes!
amazing. Let's put it in the smoothie maker.
Yeah!
Right, now let's do the same for the apple. Oh, but to peel an apple, I need a peeler.
No, you don't, Steve! I can do
Really?
it! Oh, yes, watch!
Wow! Hey, Bob!
Yeah!
That's fantastic! Okay, great. Now, what do we do next? Yeah, we slice the apple.
No problem!
Hey,
Watch!
Bob! That's amazing!
Yeah!
Come on then, let's put some of the apple into the smoothie maker. But before we mix it, let's pour in a little yogurt. Oh yeah! Great! Now we're ready to mix it. So come on, let's mix it.
Mix it, mix it, mix it, mix it, mix it, mix
Okay,
it.
great! Our smoothie is ready. But now we need to pour it into 2 glasses. I've got a glass for me and a glass for you, Bob.
Thank you!
So come on, let's pour a smoothie for me. Say it with me, come on. Pour the smoothie, pour the smoothie, pour the smoothie. Great! And let's pour a smoothie for Bob. Come on, let's pour the smoothie, pour the smoothie, pour the smoothie. Super! Okay.
Let's drink it! Yeah!
No, not yet. I just want to put a straw in your smoothie, a straw in my smoothie, and now I'm ready to... Do what? Yeah, serve the smoothie. Come on, say it with me. Let's serve the smoothie. Serve the smoothie. Serve the smoothie. Yeah,
thank you.
Great. Okay, Bob, enjoy.
Yeah.
Oh, I must be careful. I don't want another toothache.
Hi, Steve!
Hi, Maggie. Oh, Maggie. Oh, you naughty, naughty bird.